I felt so happy winning the bronze award. I'm Muelmar from Davao City. I work as a electrical teacher at Tagum National Trade School. I'm also a electrical engineer licensed here in Philippines. Solar installation is my second business. One of the uprising business here in Philippines is the renewable energy, the solar installation. So I felt so lucky and also happy to have this kind of business, especially by promoting clean energy here in Philippines. My first installing Sungrow inverters, especially in my office. So I install first at my own office because I cannot promote what I can't have. So by installing the first Sungrow inverters at my office, I feel so amazed. The inverter are so well engineered by Sungrow, and it is easy for us to install, especially in this tropical weather in the Philippines, especially at the beach line or somewhere outdoors. So for me, it is a life-changing technology created by Sungrow. This competition, I feel so excited and very nervous, especially from Tagum City, Davao del Norte, travel to Makati City. So we just arrived yesterday. Coming through this kind of event is being excited while competing to 30 top master skills installer here in the Philippines. I didn't tell any of my workmates that I come here to compete. From now, they didn't know because yesterday I just work at my office. So I am very happy, especially bringing this trophy here in Davao City, Mindanao, the bronze award, top 3 among the master installer here in the Philippines. The suggestion to our younger installer, keep practicing the electronics and the electrical code of the Philippines before indulging solar installation, because if you master the electrical code here in the Philippines and also the basic electronics, it is easy for you to adapt the Sungrow technology.